This 1990 Toyota pickup steering wheel is fixing to get a facelift. We are going to put it through our process, remove all that old leather, clean up the steering wheel. He wants us to redye that airbag, so we're going to do that also, and then new leather on it. He wants to go with a baseball stitch instead of the double French seam on there, and it is going to be a strikingly gorgeous new steering wheel when we're finished with it. So let's put it through our transformation and see what it looks like afterwards. So this steering wheel is all done and ready to ship out. It's going on a 1990 Toyota pickup, but it's actually a momo steering wheel. So we've reupholstered that with we used a Ferrari leather on it, a smooth Nappa grain leather. We redyed the horn pad because it was pretty worn out, and used a hand-stitched baseball stitch on there. It looks really nice. There were several issues with the padding that had to be repaired on this before we could do the leather. So we got all that done, reupholstered it, and now it looks as good as new, ready to ship out. Another satisfied customer here at Craft Customs. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com if there's anything that we can do for you. We look forward to working with you.